One of the key benefits of juicing is its positive impact on metabolism and digestion. The nutrients in juice can help stimulate metabolic processes, promoting efficient energy use and weight management. Additionally, the enzymes found in fresh juices support digestive health, making it easier for your body to break down food and absorb nutrients. Juicing also plays a crucial role in detoxification, as it helps flush out toxins and supports liver function, allowing your body to reset and rejuvenate. Moreover, hydration is a vital component of a healthy lifestyle, and juicing contributes significantly to your daily fluid intake. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining energy levels, supporting cognitive function, and promoting overall well-being. By incorporating fresh juices into your routine, you can enhance your health while enjoying delicious flavors. Certain fruits and vegetables are particularly effective in supporting weight loss due to their unique properties. For instance, leafy greens like spinach and kale are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them excellent choices for boosting metabolism. These greens are rich in iron and magnesium, which are essential for energy production and metabolic processes. Additionally, fruits such as berries, particularly blueberries and strawberries, are packed with antioxidants and have a low glycemic index, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and curb cravings. The role of fiber in weight management cannot be overstated. It aids digestion and promotes a feeling of fullness, which can prevent overeating. Foods like apples, pears, and avocados are high in fiber, contributing to satiety and helping to control appetite. Moreover, certain ingredients possess detoxifying properties that can enhance weight loss efforts. For example, cucumbers and celery are hydrating and help flush out toxins, while beets support liver function and improve digestion. Incorporating these fruits and vegetables into your diet not only provides essential nutrients, but also creates a balanced approach to weight loss. By focusing on these specific foods, you can effectively support your weight loss journey while enjoying delicious and nutritious meals. Let's dive into some delicious juice recipes that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. First up is the classic green detox juice, made with kale, cucumber, green apple, and a squeeze of lemon. This refreshing blend is packed with vitamins A and C, promoting detoxification and boosting your immune system. Next, try the Berry Blast juice, which combines strawberries, blueberries, and a splash of orange juice. This vibrant mix is rich in antioxidants, supporting heart health and enhancing skin vitality. For a tropical twist, the pineapple ginger juice is a must-try. Just blend fresh pineapple with ginger and a hint of mint. This juice not only aids digestion, but also provides a refreshing energy boost. Each of these recipes is not only nutritious, but also incredibly easy to prepare. Simply wash, chop, and juice. I encourage you to experiment with your own variations by adding different fruits or vegetables based on your preferences. You might discover a new favorite combination. Incorporating these juices into your daily routine can be as simple as starting your morning with a glass or enjoying one as an afternoon pick-me-up. So grab your juicer and get creative, your body will thank you for it. Consistency is key when it comes to juicing and achieving overall health. I encourage you to make juicing a regular part of your diet, as incorporating fresh juices into your daily routine can significantly enhance your nutrient intake and support your wellness journey. However, it's essential to remember that juicing is just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced diet rich in whole foods along with regular exercise plays a crucial role in reaching your health goals. Combining nutrient-dense juices with a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains will provide your body with the comprehensive nutrition it needs to thrive. Additionally, staying active helps to boost metabolism, improve mood, and maintain a healthy weight. It's important to view juicing as a valuable tool rather than a magic solution. While it can provide numerous health benefits, it should complement a holistic approach to wellness that includes mindful eating and physical activity. By committing to consistency in your juicing habits and embracing a balanced lifestyle, you'll be better equipped to achieve lasting health results. So let's make juicing a delightful and regular part of our lives, and together we can cultivate a healthier, more vibrant future. In summary, we've explored the incredible benefits of juicing for weight loss and detoxification. By incorporating fresh juices into your daily routine, you can boost your nutrient intake, enhance your metabolism, and support your body's natural detox processes. We discussed how specific fruits and vegetables can aid in weight management while providing essential vitamins and minerals. Remember, consistency is vital, Making juicing a regular part of your diet, alongside a balanced approach to nutrition and exercise, can lead to lasting health improvements. If you found this information helpful, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us reach more people and spread the message of health and wellness. Additionally, don't forget to explore more of our content related to health, nutrition, and fitness. We have a wealth of resources designed to inspire and empower you on your journey to better health. Join our community, and let's embark on this transformative path together. Your engagement means the world to us, and we can't wait to hear about your juicing experiences and health goals in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health.